Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Vera Yunita. My NPM 21130220006 from the Physics Education Study Program. I want to explain sources of electric current. Sources of electric current. Sources of electric current. The source of electric current can be interpreted as anything that can produce an electric current. The existence of the source of electric current causes a potential difference between two points, so that electricity can flow from one point to another. At this time, I will briefly review the sources of electric currents and their various categories. Electricity is one form of energy, so that in accordance with the law of conservation of energy to produce electrical energy, it is necessary to have a device that can convert other energy into electrical energy. In general, there are two types of electric current sources, namely direct current sources and alternating current sources. Many of the electronic devices that we use actually work on unidirectional electricity, even though the electrical device is plugged into an alternating power source. In every electronics current, there is usually a tool to convert alternating electric current into direct electric current. The source of electric current is divided into two, namely the primary element and the secondary element. First, primary element. The primary element is a source of electric current that cannot be recharged when its energy runs out. An example of a primary pack is a dry battery, voltaic element. Then secondary elements. Secondary elements are sources of electric current that can be recharged when the energy runs out. Example of secondary elements are accumulators or battery and lithium-ion batteries used in cell phones and camera. Example 1. Examples of direct current sources are voltaic elements, dry elements or batteries, accumulators or batteries, solar cell, and direct current dynamos. 2. Example of alternating current sources. While example of alternating current source are AC, current dynamos, and state-owned power plants. A. There are several sources of primary electric current that are close to everyday life. Namely, the voltaic element is the forerunner of what we know as a battery with sequences of a zinc cathode and a copper anode. Both cathodes are immersed in a sulfuric acid solution. B. There are several sources of secondary electric current that are close to everyday life. 1. Battery consists of several cells, usually 6 cells. 2. Rechargeable battery. Broadly speaking, the principles used are similar, except that the electrolyte solution or pasta use is different. Battery power. On batteries, we often see the mAh unit. mAh stands for milliampere hour. 1 milliampere hour means that the real battery can issue a current of 1 milliampere for 1 hour. Then with this quantity we can estimate how long a battery will run out if it's used by an electrical equipment with a certain current. Formula: battery power together with outflow multiplied time. Problems example. Battery is written to have a power of 5 Ah. If the battery is used to light a lamp that requires a current of 0.5 ampere, how long will the lamp last? Is now together with is known together with 5 outflow together with 0.5 ampere asked for time. Answer: battery power together with outflow multiplied time 5 together with 0.5 multiplied time together with 0.5 5 together with 10 Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.